As usual, we can start with solvent primer or with gel polish bond. Apply it only on the nail plate and let it dry on the air. And then with white power gel, let's create very thin layer. And with PowerGel tool, I will apply it and seal it to the nail near the cuticle, and then I will continue working with Prestige brush. It's very old brush, creating very thin and very even layer. Then after this, I can cure it for 1.5 minutes in any LED light. Then with Fiber Coat Extreme White, I will apply very thin layer of the product. You see that it's very highly pigmented product, so apply it evenly. Be sure that it's not too much of the product. And don't cure it, because we are going to make a bit of magic, and this magic is very simple one. We will use the kitchen foil just to make ridges, and then we will cure it for 10 seconds in LED light. Be sure that you are not curing it longer, otherwise it will be hard for you to remove the foil. 10 seconds, just enough. So very carefully just remove the foil, and then with Fiber Coat Frosted Pink, you can apply a bit more product, but first we have to seal all ridges, so then we will have like good adhesion and we will not have any air bubbles inside. Just be sure that you are applying this evenly. So we're not curing it till now, we're still working. So it was our like second layer, but we see that it's not enough, so we have to add a bit more. And here a bit more of the product. So you see that I'm not going to the cuticle right now because this product is quite thin, so cuticle I will leave for the last. And then we can cure it for 1.5 minutes. Remove your nail form. You also can pinch it, of course, if you want. Remove your sticky residue, and then we are ready to file. Ba-bam! Filing, and after filing, any top gel that you like, and actually you see the result that we can have. So it's really like a pink quartz, looks absolutely nice. So you should not make all nails like that, but 1 or 2 on the hand will look absolutely cool. Thank you for watching, and thank you very much. Ask me something and see you later. Thank you. Bye.